Vanessa, and I'm a handbrake operator, of course, and a homies. I'm not an expert in the field of electronics. Started building kits. I put together two, and I'm going to attempt my third one, which is the CW decoder from the club. Today, I want to go over how to determine the value of a resistor. You need to use the right resistor for your project or it will not work. There are two ways that I use to determine the value. One is to use the bands that are color coded, and the order matters of the bands. So each band in here tells you something different. It tells you the value, and it tells you also the error that is included in the value of that resistor. Well, let's go to the website that I used that has a calculator based on the color bands. It will give us the expected or the value of the resistor we're dealing with. Okay, I hope you're seeing this. I'll put the link to this calculator in the description. But if you see, we can have a 4-band resistor, 5-band resistor, or 6-band resistor for this calculator to use this calculator. In our case, we have a 5-band resistor, and we determined already that the colors were red, black, black, red, with a tolerance of 1%. So the calculator arrives that the value of this resistor is 20 kilo ohms with 1% tolerance. What that means is that anything that is between 19.8 and 20.2 kilo ohms can be used where a 20 kilo ohms resistor is called for. So basically you'll take this value and subtract 1% from it for getting the low end of the range, or add that to 20 kilo ohm to get the high end of the range. The second method I use to determine the value of a resistor is using a multimeter. We'll demonstrate that method now. So here we are. We have the resistor, we have a multimeter, and because of the color of the band, how it's coded, we determine from the bands that it should be a 20K or 20 kilo ohm resistor. So let's see if the multimeter confirms that. And also remember that there was a 1% error, I'm sorry, a 0.1% or 1%. And it will go to 19 point, anything between 19.8 and 20.2 should be fine. So we're measuring this, we're getting nothing because the value of the resistor is bigger than where we have the meter. Then we go to the next setting, we got nothing. Then we go to the 20 kilo ohms setting, and we get a value of 1990, which is within that range of 19.8 and 20.2. This, in effect, is a 20 kilo ohm resistor.